Hey docs, we are coming off an awesome California jam, and you're going to want to watch this video all the way through because we've got some real gems from the hallways of the California jam. I had a lot of questions of how I take so much family time, how it is that I take so much vacation and play with my 4 children. I must have alluded to it in my talk or mentioned it, but it was one of those things a lot of the audience picked up on that vibe. And I'll tell you this, it's because I can predict my growth. I can predict my office statistics and my new patients based on how we market. Now, we're going to share a webinar on April the 16th on how some of that works. But quite simply, the problem with referrals is it's unpredictable. You don't know when referrals are going to come. It's unpredictable growth. You don't have your foot on the accelerator, put it down, and determine when your practice is going to absolutely have liftoff. However, if we can teach you to effectively do talks and lectures like we do at the Art of the Close, you can then predict your growth. And then what we do is we crunch time and teach you how to do a 10-minute talk. So April the 16th, we've got a webinar explaining what communication strategies can be. But more importantly, look into this 2-day workshop we call the Art of the Close. Now we've got some new dates, and that will be in Chicago in May, we'll be in Detroit in July, and we'll be in Southern California in August, right in Laguna Beach, very near the California Jam. What I'd like to point out and illustrate is when we do the Art of the Close, we'll drop in some footage of exactly how it is it works because it's a small, intimate workshop. So we do sell them out because we only take 50 people. I have another speaking coach with me, and we move around the room, and we interact and role play, and you do the work. You see, it's different having a speaking coach just on speaking in general or communication in general. I'm a chiropractor in the game that's built a recipe that's reproducible and predictable about your results in getting new patients when you speak. And it's been so effective, we've crunched time into what's similar to a TED Talk that you can do for corporations. And you all know they have less time to sit around and listen to a message. So you need to be quicker, but still have a predictable outcome of new patients. And that's what we've been doing. At the Art of the Close workshop, what's been so fun for me is I've basically read a ton of information from the godfather of influence literature, Cialdini. And what I've then done is looked at my speaking and my communications, and I've proceduralized 90 years of communication strategies as a practicing chiropractor for practicing chiropractors, and the results have been phenomenal. So if you want to learn to speak and grow, there really is one place to do that. It's the Art of the Close workshop. It's 2 days. We start at 1 p.m. on Friday, so you could even fly in Friday morning, stay one night away from your family, and fly out. And that one night away from your family could equal predictable growth for the rest of the year where your family benefits. Because you can then plan your vacations in your holiday time and then fill in your marketing around your family, as opposed to doing the opposite. We've all done that. It's like, let me see when the big screenings are, let me see when the good marketing is, and when it's quiet time or downtime, then I'll slip out and take a quick holiday or a 4-day weekend. Don't burn out. And again, the California Jam, I had so many people say, I can't believe you take 8 weeks vacation. How do you do that? The truth is predictable growth, not waiting for referrals to come in the door, but driving the process. And as a practicing chiropractor, taking 90 years of influence literature, we've laid out a recipe and a predictability pattern that you know when you're going to grow, by how much, and then you can blow out of town and enjoy your family. And it is what we call 360 degrees of success. Chicago, Detroit, and Southern California are our next 3 dates. We've had a ton of Australians asking me to come down under. So possibly in September, we'll be doing that in Melbourne. The Art of the Close workshop, 2 days, phenomenal, role-playing, interactive, we course correct. And what I teach you to do that's so important is fail faster. Hey, if you can't wait till the Art of the Close to get this info, then join us on that April 16th webinar. One will feed off the other. And if you've been to Art of the Close and you want a little refresh and a regroup, Raymond, get on that. April 16th webinar, you will not be disappointed. As an In the Trench Chiro, we teach you what works. No time for fluff. After Cal Jam, we all know it's time to move the needle. And if you didn't get the Cal Jam this year, we'll do a Cal Jam recap video because it was so over the top. You just have to get there in 2016. Much love. See you at the Art of the Close.